Well, Mom. But what is that? Who are you? Scorpions. Scorpions! What? We have a dinosaur. Wow, say a dinosaur is a Scorpius Rex? What the fuck is that thing? I'm not sure the Scorpius Rex is heading away. Don't be nervous, Scorpions. Oh no. Get the beast.
Seen it count money in my dream. Yeah.
Wonderful, beautiful day.
Oh my god, what is that? Transport.
What?
Guys,
What?
guys, we have to get out of here. Now!
Oh my god, Scorpius Rex! We have to get out of here!
Don't run! His name's Scorpius Rex.
Sorry.
Hey, that's my name. Wow, what the thunder is that thing? What's your name?
Random Pig, and this is your nicest everyone's transporters. Yeah, my name is Random Pig, and the scariest longer slender.
Yes, we'll help you, us.
Wow, good job!
Wow, Jesus Christ. But how like me?
Alright, let's get started now.
What is that?
Oh my god.
I want to see it. Hey guys, I'm back. You're alive! What the puzzle is that, huh?
That's noise.
I have no idea. I want to just click it in the camera. Oh, it's Nano.
Oh, I want to just kill my dinosaur.
Be quiet.
Oh shit.
Holy shit! What my god. Mom, where's the kids? Where is it? They're in the top one. Yeah, we need to find the kids. Guys, what is that? I can only evacuate now. Yes, kill all the friends. Something how. I have no idea now. Do something. something how you this a little alone? Yes, I need to get out here as soon as we can. No way. Where is it? I can faster enough. No way. Shh, be quiet.
Yes.
Where
Yes, it's a
something food
I know this.
Quick, he's getting on us. Quick, there's upstairs. You have to clear down now.
Are you crazy? I can't watch you slip on Jimmy John. That thing is trying to kill us.
There's a one find out, guys. Quick, hide there. Here, is everyone okay?
Hello there.